Every partner knows that implementation and service delivery is a challenge for every provider. It's not that providers want to have challenges. Unfortunately, there are so many moving parts and so many different people involved in the implementation process. Sometimes challenges occur. In addition, when we're talking about installing circuits, there are also many people outside of the provider's company, such as the underlying network providers, outside contractors, field services technicians, municipal organizations, etc., who are also involved in installing the new circuit. Regardless of the provider, there are instances when a customer may experience an implementation challenge of some kind. So when evaluating a provider, as it relates to implementation and service delivery, there are two primary questions a partner needs answered. 1. Has the provider invested in the proper systems, processes, and personnel to be proactive in attempting to eliminate or at least minimize every possible challenge that can occur? AireSpring's CEO Avi Lonstein has a commitment to doing everything possible to become the best in the industry at implementation and service delivery. This is an easy statement for a provider to make, but words must be tested against actions and investments. AireSpring has made numerous key personnel hires to focus on implementation, service delivery, and post-sales service and support. In post-sales service, specifically repair and technical support, AireSpring brought in Greg Haynes, Director of Service Assurance from a top industry provider. In January of 2022, AireSpring announced that Russ Shipley, the former COO of a top industry provider known for its excellence in service delivery, had joined to become AireSpring's new COO. While Mr. Shipley is responsible for overseeing all operations, his primary focus is to develop the systems, processes, and teams for AireSpring to become the best it can be in implementation and service delivery. No provider is perfect, but AireSpring's #1 focus as a company, from the top down, is to be the best at implementation and service delivery in the industry. When we're successful in our mission, we create long-term customers who receive true value for placing their trust in both AireSpring and the partner who advised them. We've found that when customers are happy, partners are happy. 2. When a challenge does occur, how does the provider handle it? Does the provider quickly and effectively communicate to the customer and the partner what is happening? Or do they hide behind email or text? Can the customer or partner reach a live person when electronic communication is simply not enough? At AireSpring, we believe that no news is worse than hard news, so communication with the customer and/or the partner is key should a challenge occur. Realizing that especially with circuit installation, not everything is in the provider's control. Does the provider show a real sense of urgency in doing everything possible to overcome and resolve the challenge? If the customer and/or the partner doesn't think they are receiving the attention and service they deserve, can they escalate the issue to management within the provider? At AireSpring, we offer both the customer and the partner an escalation list that goes through multiple levels all the way to the CEO. While we certainly hope a customer or a partner never needs to escalate an issue all the way to the CEO, we don't know of another major provider in the industry that offers this level of escalation. Contact us today to learn how you can benefit from the AireSpring advantage.